This is Sirius here, back here again with another video. Today we'll be looking at a question from the 2014 paper, and this question is from paper 1, question 6. Right, let's take a look at this question now. An element R has p protons and n neutrons in its nucleus. Which row gives a possible correct number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in the negative ions of an isotope of R? So first, let's take a look at what is the definition of an isotope. As I have written down here, the definition of an isotope is atom of the same element that contains the same number of protons and electrons but different number of neutrons, right? What other key information is given in this question? It mentioned that in the negative ion of an isotope of R, right? Meaning to say the number of electrons must be greater than the number of protons. So what are the options that can be eliminated right away just based on this information itself? I know that I can eliminate option B and option D because, as you can see from here, the electrons are at p minus 1, right? And if it is p minus 1, meaning there will be lesser electrons than proton. That would fit a positive ion description instead of a negative ion description. Right? So among the leftover options, which is A and C, what would then be the possible answer? First, we take a look back at the definition. It states that it must have the same number of proton. An element R has p proton. That means that the isotope must have also p number of protons, right? So again, by using the elimination method, we can straight away eliminate option C because the number of protons that option C has is p plus 1. That would mean that it has a different number of protons compared to element R, and that would not fit the definition of an isotope. But what else can we see in terms of the answer that we have chosen? We can see that the number of neutrons is n plus 1, right? And element R has n neutrons, whereas this option A has n plus 1 neutrons, which means a different number of neutrons compared to element R. And again, these fit the definition of an isotope. Hence, our answer for this question will be option A.